Hey guys, presenting you clickable PDF business card which looks smart, elegant and very affordable. Now it's time to upgrade from printed business card to clickable digital business card, and it has such an amazing features. I'll tell you. Now you no need to reprint your business card again. No more worries about wear and tears, because it will stay with you 24/7 on your smartphone, and wherever and whenever you want you can share it with anyone unlimited times, right? And it has such an amazing features, that you would love it. You can see your business logo or your profile picture, your name, your business name, your designation. Then you can put your 102 number, your email address. You can connect your website, you can connect your Google Map business listing, and also you can connect all of your social media. Now if you just give a click on this mobile icon, so the dialer will be opened up. If you just give a click on this email icon, the email will be opened up. If you just give a click on website, it will be redirected to your website. And if you just give a click on Google Map icon, it will be redirected to your Google Map business listing on Google. So it has really amazing features, and it is very beneficial for your business, right? So if you also want me to design a clickable PDF business card like this, then let me know. I can do that for you at a very affordable price. Thank you.